Hello, this is Charting Man Dan of TheChartGuys, where we teach the little guy and girl how to utilize charts to manage their own trades and investments. What do I mean by the little guy and girl? Well, we just had 2 directives signed halting the implementation of a rule that requires financial advisors to act in the best interests of their client. Let that sink in a little bit. The big wigs on Wall Street can play with your retirement and hard-earned money without your best interests at heart. We currently have hundreds of members taking charge of their financial future, and we would love for you to come check out a free week with no credit card required to see if our services would be beneficial on your path to financial independence as well. What we offer, we have a separate course of over 5 hours in length on when to enter and exit positions. And in terms of what we do daily, we have nightly videos, key levels updated each morning before the bell, 2.5 hours of live daily webcam coverage in the morning and in the afternoon, and over 7 hours of educational videos. All of these links can be found in the description of this video. Come check us out. Thanks for watching. Let's get on to the technical analysis. Looking at SPY on the daily and weekly time frame, another huge day for the bulls, another close at the high of the day at all-time highs with a lack of an upper wick. So if you are looking for a pullback, in my opinion, you should be waiting for a bearish reversal candlestick to form on the daily time frame at the absolute very least. To try and time the top here is a bad strategy. It's bad risk to reward. The reward, sure, it'd be great if you nailed the top, but the idea or the ideal scenario is to wait and give up some reward to give up a lot of risk. In a scenario that I just compared it to, if we were in a stock and we were hitting new all-time lows every single day for 6 days in a row, and we were closing at the low of the day, would you be buying calls and trying to time the bottom? The answer should be no. You should be waiting for a bullish reversal candlestick on the daily time frame at the very least. More cautious traders are going to be waiting for confirmation of that reversal candlestick, and we have neither of those on the SPY daily time frame. We see a lot of buying in VIX today at the end of the day, and UVXY and TVIX, so maybe we're going to see some consolidation in the near term, but again, the SPY and the S&P 500 chart are not showing any sign of that at this moment in time, and I would much rather give up a little bit of the gains to the downside and eliminate a lot of that risk rather than trying to time the top day after day. So we have huge continuation on the weekly time frame, no slowdown in sight, no upper Bollinger Band resistance until the upper 236s, and the daily time frame upper Bollinger Band is going to be support. So looking at the shorter term time frames, the SPY bulls were in control the absolute entirety of the day. Every single low was a higher low, and then we got higher highs. So there was no slowdown, and we saw a pullback at the end of the day, and here after hours, here we are back up at the all-time high. So the bulls are still in full control. We'll see where we open tomorrow. If we open anywhere close to the all-time high, we will likely see another push in the morning. 235.14 is that all-time high, and a key support I'm going to be watching tomorrow will be the low of this consolidation because that was the most significant consolidation we saw during the day, and that was 233.90. So I will be watching 233.90 support. The hourly time frame, bulls in full control, exponential moving averages are support, increasing bull volume on the way up. We did see a lot of volume there at the end of the day, but it certainly didn't make too significant a dent in the progress that the bulls had made throughout the day. So we'll check back in tomorrow and see if this run continues. We are keeping an eye out for a bearish reversal candlestick. Personally, I would not be swinging bullish plays overnight at this point, just because we do know consolidation is coming in the near term. I would certainly, though, not be trying to fight this trend and time the top. So I'll see you tomorrow. I appreciate you watching. Have a great night.